Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking with Munisha. Today we are making tuna fish pickle. So let's get into this video. For that, here I have taken a tuna fish. This fish weighs around 1 kg 44 grams. So you will need to clean this fish, remove the head of the fish and the bones, and we only need the meat of this fish for our pickle. So now our fish is cleaned and deboned, and I washed this fish nicely with salt water. Now we'll start the marination process. For that, here I am adding 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Now I am going to mix this well, and we are going to marinate this fish for 1 hour. So you will need to cover and marinate this in fridge, this fish, for 1 hour. So this will make the fish very tender and nice. Now after 1 hour, here I have taken a fry pan. To this I have added 4 tablespoons of sesame oil, also known as til oil. Once the oil becomes hot, I have kept the flame on medium. I am adding the marinated fish pieces. Once I have added the marinated fish pieces, we are going to fry this fish for 4 minutes on medium flame. So you need to fry the fish evenly, then only your pickle will last longer. And do every step you need to follow as I say, then you will get the perfect pickle. Now after 4 minutes on medium flame, I have turned the sides. Now on the other sides also we are going to fry for 4 minutes on medium flame. So this will cook the fish perfectly. Now after 4 minutes again I have turned the sides, and we are going to cook for 2 minutes on medium flame. Now after 2 minutes again I am going to turn the sides and cook the other side for 2 minutes on medium flame. And our fish is perfectly fried. This is how you need to fry the fish. Then only your pickle will last longer. So follow each and every step with as I am explaining in detail. You need to follow this, then your pickle will last longer. So now all our fish has been perfectly fried. I am going to remove this, and I am going to fry the rest of the marinated fish pieces. So I have fried this in 2 parts. So now I am frying the remaining pieces the same way. 4 minutes, 4 minutes, and then 2 minutes, 2 minutes, the same way. So hey friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay updated with all my latest videos. And if you like this video, please hit that like button, and please friends share this video with all your friends and family. Now all our fish has been perfectly fried. Now we'll start making our tuna fish pickle. So always for pickle you need to use sesame oil, then only your pickle will last longer. This is the number 1 rule. So now on the same fry pan I am adding 4 tablespoons of sesame oil, which is also known as til oil. Once the oil heats up, to this I am adding 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, also known as methi ka dana. And to this I have added 3 strings of curry leaves. Now I am just sauteing this lightly and keep the flame on medium. And to this I am adding 4 slit green chilli. I'll lightly mix this, and to this I am adding 100 grams of cleaned and slit garlic. So what I have done is I have just cleaned the garlic cloves and slit into half. And to this I am adding sliced ginger 50 grams. Now I am going to mix this well, and we'll fry this until they look caramelized. Do not burn this, just fry this until they look caramelized. So now the garlic and ginger is perfectly caramelized. Now we are going to lower the flame, and on low flame I am adding the powdered masala. So to this I have added 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of asafoetida, also known as hing, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and some salt to taste. Now I'm going to mix this well. Once this is mixed, to this we'll add vinegar little by little. So to this I am adding first only half cup of vinegar. Now I am going to mix this well, and now to this I am going to add four tablespoons of vinegar. Now I am going to mix this well, and I am going to bring this to a boil. So once it starts to boil, to this I am adding the fried fish pieces. Once I have added the fried fish pieces, I am going to mix this well. And once this nicely mixed, to this we'll again add 4 tablespoons of vinegar. So total we have added 1 cup of vinegar. First half cup, then 1/4, then 1/4. That means 1 cup of vinegar total. And to this I have adjusted some salt. So you need to taste the pickle and then adjust the salt. And now I have mixed this well, and I have switched off the flame. And our tuna fish pickle is ready. Once this cool, store in a dry airtight glass or ceramic container and keep in fridge. And this pickle will easily last for 6 to 7 months or even a year. So always while having pickle, use a dry spoon. Take the pickle and close the lid and keep it back in the fridge. Never use wet spoon for the pickle. Then your pickle will get spoiled. And use all these tips and you will get the perfect tuna fish pickle. Please do try this recipe and give your feedback on the comment section below. I would love to hear your feedback. And remember friends, like, share and subscribe. Till then, see ya. Thank you for watching.